tortoise. All the people in the city were shocked and said, "Oh my God!" They were saying,
shocked.
They
Mm-hmm.
were shocked and they were talking to each other. They were saying, "Oh, a flying tortoise."
Flying turtle. Tortoise.
Then he was listening. He said, "Oh my God, they are talking about me." He died.
Okay. Okay. That's sad. But what's the moral of this story?
Moral of the story.
Moral.
My teacher did not told me the moral of the story.
Did not tell me that. Okay. Did not tell me. So you have told me everything that happened in the story. Correct?
Yes.
Is it true? You have told me the whole story. And you have understood everything that you said. Correct?
Yes, sir, I understood.
So yeah, so now you have to just tell me, what do you learn from that story?
That happened to one girl named Jia. She had two friends named Ashwini. Ashwini used to care for Shruti, not for Jia. So Jia said, "You always care for Shruti. Why don't you care for me? I am also your friend."
Okay.
She used.
So that's why. The destiny cannot be changed. Destiny cannot be changed is the moral of the story.
However, how we are, it's better. The tortoise tortoise want to be a bird, but then he could not be a bird. He wanted to become a bird.
We should content with our abilities, right? We should be happy about whatever we have, and destiny cannot be changed. I think that is also a moral that you get from here. One mistake that I am seeing right now, Ritika, is that you're not using second form of verb while you're talking about past tense. While you're narrating a story, you should use started. You said he start laughing, but you'll say he started laughing. Okay? Is it clear?
Laughing.
So this is one mistake. Now tell me one thing. Does your brother also take sessions with this ID?
Sir, I don't have brothers. I have 3 younger sisters.
Okay, so you have written a name Raghuraj / Ritika. Who is your father?
Learn English.
Okay. I'm really sorry. So he also learns English from this platform, correct?
No.
Okay. So why is his name mentioned here? Just like that?
Because he also want to learn English. His English is very I think his English is bad.
Okay, but he wants to improve, which is a good thing. He wants to improve, right? Okay, great. This is a very good thing. I'm really liking this conversation with you. Do you have any questions for me? Because we are already reaching towards the end of the session.
No, sir.
No questions. Okay. So you go to school on a daily basis. You're wearing a very beautiful coat. I think this is from your school only. So do you enjoy going to school, or you like online learning?
I like school and online learning both. But now Diwali season is almost.
You can say this. Wait. Let's learn a new idiom here. Now that Diwali is around the corner. Very good. Diwali is around the corner. Okay, use it. Come on. Now that
Diwali is around the corner.
Good.
So, sir, have you cleaned your room?
Actually, the best part is that we shifted to a new house this time. When we entered, we had to get it cleaned. So there was no problem of cleaning this time. And I think we are very fortunate that we did not have to clean it again. Yeah, that was the case. But in the other Diwalis, I have always cleaned my rooms and all the house actually. You have to wash it out, right? Which is a good thing. I think it's good to wash your home. Have you cleaned your room?
I cleaned my room.
You have cleaned your room.